Alright everyone, today we're going on an airplane. So what? Then let's go. It's a little hot here because there's no aircon. And also everyone, don't forget your guns, or you can just not bring guns because it's a holiday. There's no work, there's no war. Come on. Oh no, there's only a few seats. Is something full now? Yes. Wait, no. It's not full yet. Alright, let's go. Bro, you're not a good airport. I'm not a good captain, you know. I'm just new. What the? You're not even good. Bro, you're not even a good captain. Hello, this is your captain's speech. Do not bully me. Bro, you are a big dummy. This is gonna be another legendary flight. A few minutes later, we arrived to California, USA. That was a terrible flight. Bruh. The end.